Here's the 3 module challenge. So let's start here. At Maths by Make Noise, it's going to generate a little clock. Send that clock up to the 8S sequencer, and that clock pulse is going to send a little signal out at different voltages to this oscillator right here by Doepfer. And also the Maths is going to be sending out another signal to modulate this oscillator, the pulse width modulation. So that's 3 signals. Oh wait, there's a 4th. So the 3 module challenge is now the 4 module challenge. So now what I'm doing with that signal is I'm putting it through this filter by Doepfer and modulating it also from Maths, and then sending that signal straight out to my mixer, which has a little bit of delay on it, just a little bit. So I don't count that as a module. I count 1, 2, 3, 4 modules in the 3 module challenge. Right. So right now you're hearing this side of Maths. It's sending out a very slow modulation, an LFO basically, down to this filter and to the pulse width modulation. And as soon as I hit that button on this side of Maths, it's going to send out the little clock pulse up to here. So here we go. Oh, one other thing. This is also sending a modulation up to this little direction patch point, which changes the direction of the melody. So watch, see the lights go this way, sending out a little, basically a little tone in one direction. And then as soon as it receives a signal to change, it changes direction. So I get 2 melodies for the price of 1.